is the same color that you had for your preschool graduation.
That's so true. Yeah, you're right.
Who's your guest speaker? Who's giving your commencement speech?
Barack Obama.
Society of who? There she is! Yay! Psychiatry!
Regalia. Wow. This is so silly. Like, how to put that on.
Good morning, your daughter's graduating today. How do you feel?
I feel like, don't say it. I feel like there's gonna be more money in my pocket. There's not.
Here's her posters that I made for her. You did it. And then some of her friends came by last night and brought her these balloons. They're so cute. Apparently that's not the link to her graduation.
Well, this is it.
Okay, here's what I got her. It's not like anything big, but it's this hanger, and it says Dr. Zagarian for her white coat, a card, of course, an ID clip with her favorite painting, a case for her AirPods just because she's been leaving them everywhere, a wine glass that says because residency, and then this shirt, it says like Miss, Mrs. with like all the boxes unchecked, and then where the box says doctor, it's checked. And then just like in this basket for her new apartment. Hopefully she likes it.
Very nice.
Okay, guys. All your presents.
Wow, there is so much. How do you even come up with stuff like this?
For your white coat.
My white coat. I love this. How did you know I needed this?
But this year, our
I didn't.
You didn't?
No. That's your favorite painting, right? I think.
It is my favorite painting. It's one of my favorite paintings. I have lots of favorites.
Yeah.
Cultivate and nurture the kinds of loving relationships that bring us joy, fulfillment, and abundance. We must make time, and we must take time.
I guess it'll be later today, probably.
Congratulations once again.
You have to drown.
Is that giraffes?
At an unprecedented time in history.
Giraffes.
But I'm filled with hope.
This is what happens when you can't go to the barber. Or your barber is yourself. Let me make it less crazy here by putting on a fake mustache. There we go. That evens it out. Guys, I'm just checking in on you. I just want to say hang in there. I know you're tired of being at home with your families, mom and dad hovering over you. Hey, mom and dad, stop helicoptering. Okay? Leave these guys alone. They've got work to do. I'm sure you miss your friends, you miss being on campus, not to mention taking all your classes online. But you can do it. Hang in there. I mean, you're getting a USC education. Remember that, and it's going to serve you well. It's going to be a huge asset.
I'm truly delighted to salute the newest graduates of USC. Congratulations, class of 2020.
You're not going to have one by one name?
Not in this one. There's like 30,000 people.
We are incredibly proud of the graduates of the class of 2020. I would now like to introduce the Dean of the Keck School of Medicine, Dr. Laura Mosqueda, who has recorded a message for the class of 2020.
Well, hello, my fellow physicians. Congratulations. You did it. You are medical doctors. Your hard work, long hours, and determination is paying off. As much as I regret that we're not conferring your degrees in person with high fives and handshakes and hugs, I'm grateful to be able to offer these virtual congratulations for your very real accomplishments. I also am grateful for your commitment to providing healthcare and practicing medicine in the interest of the greater good. I know it feels like everything in the world these days is about COVID-19. Even now, when we're celebrating and honoring how your dreams have come to fruition in the form of this important milestone, the pandemic serves to remind us how absolutely critical you are and will continue to be throughout your careers, especially in times like these. In fact, this particular moment in history shines a light on you and asks that you shine your own light on the world by using to your full capacity the training and expertise you earned at the Keck School of Medicine of USC.
Thank you for your each of us and giving us the opportunity to call Keck our home in the first place, to the three of you.
Each year, I get the privilege to work with some of the brightest, most altruistic, and nicest students that our society has to offer. Students like those in the class of 2020. And to be told by the class that I did a good job, well, that is icing on the cake.
He's the best.
I'm deeply honored to have been selected to help hood you, as virtually as that may be. Many, if not most of you, will soon be joining the battle against the coronavirus pandemic, which means you are transitioning from being my students to being my heroes. And I salute you. Please be careful, and thank you for risking your lives to save the lives of others. I wish you nothing but the very best in the next phase of your journey, and congratulations again to the class of 2020.
Yay!
Repeat after me. Swear by a physician.
I swear by Apollo the physician. This is not really working. And by whatsoever I hold most sacred. That I will be loyal to the profession of medicine. I'm just gonna start saying it by myself because I can't hear it. That I will be loyal to the profession of medicine and just and generous to its members. That I will lead my life and practice my art in uprightness and honor. That into whatsoever house I shall enter, it shall be for the good of the sick to the utmost of my power, holding myself far aloof from wrong, from corruption, from the tempting of others to vice, that I will exercise my art solely for the cure of my patients, and will give no drug, perform no operation for a criminal purpose, even if solicited, far less suggest it, that whatsoever I shall see or hear of the lives of men and women which is not fitting to be spoken, I will keep inviolably secret. Now if I keep this oath and break it not, may I enjoy honor in my life and art for all time.
Using the school she got.
a very special group of individuals who have shared experiences at the University of Southern California and the LAC plus USC Medical Center. On behalf of Dean Mosqueda and the faculty and staff of the Keck School of Medicine, I would like to offer congratulations and best wishes. Thank you all for attending this virtual graduation celebration. Fight on.
Oh, this chat is going off. Yeah, that's
How much
it.
to charge y'all for that?
I don't know, probably $65,000. Wait, were we supposed to sign it already? I can't. It's so funny. Hello, Mama June. What? Oh, I miss you so much.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah, good, how are you?
Doctors are giving
Corona yapmıyor. Hala demin korona yapmayın annem ya.
waving to all her adoring fans.